Restraining order and comes after a class action lawsuit was filed against the governor. Two Shelby County families believe the executive order is in violation of the American with Disabilities Act. WREG's Shay Arthur spoke with one of those families.
We feel like we're sending our child into a life or death situation on a daily basis because of some people's opinions that masks are not what we should be doing in schools.
Parents Brittany and Ryan Schweigert live in Collierville. They talked to us about their 13-year-old son who has tuberous sclerosis complex.
It's a multifaceted, multi-organ disease. It's a genetic disease that causes epilepsy, benign tumors, hypertension, polycystic kidneys, autism.
Brittany was one of 4 people who testified in federal court today about her son and Governor Bill Lee's executive order allowing families to opt their children out from wearing a mask. The Schweigerts are listed in a class action lawsuit against the governor. The lawsuit alleges Lee's order forces parents with vulnerable children to decide between an education or their health and safety. The hearing comes the same day the Education Department announced it's investigating 5 states with universal mask bans, saying the policies could amount to discrimination against children with disabilities or health conditions. Tennessee is listed as one of those states. The Schweigerts say there are thousands of families in the volunteer state going through the same thing. Jessica Woods' son is autistic, immunocompromised on 2 chemotherapy drugs. She plans to join the lawsuit as well.
It literally feels like we're playing Russian roulette with our child's life every time we send him into the school building.
The big thing we want people to know is that when you're choosing to not wear a mask to school or to not have your child masked, you're making a decision for every child in that school, not just your child. And some of those children won't survive that choice.
Shay Arthur, WREG, News Channel 3.
And the